What's up guys, CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, Wagwan YouTube family, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being a part of the fam. Okay guys, so I just come in from work and I did my hair last night and my coworker loved it. It's so cute. It's literally these don't mind my mannequin. Afro kinky hair that I have. I was gonna use this color and I'm like, nah, let me not. So the color I use is 1B and I love how it came out. It's so cute. I was gonna curl the ends, but it's not necessary, so I'm not gonna waste time doing that. But I feel cute today. This is my outfit. Just this top and okay guys, this is the outfit. This is today's work outfit. And I'm using the front camera because my new phone is still tripping. I don't know. I asked the IT guy at work and he helped me. The phone software needed to be updated because every time I would record using the back camera, it would record for like 10 seconds and then shut down and go back to the home screen. So once we update the software, it started working fine. But that lasted for 2 weeks. 1.5 to 2 weeks. So here we are once again. The back camera not working. Software don't need to be updated. So what is the problem now? Like, what? No. As Rihanna say, what no? What? No. I don't know. I really don't know. Anyway, guys, let me go start packing. I got boxes. So let me change into something comfortable and start unpacking or packing. Let's just do it. Okay guys, these are the containers and boxes that I have so far. I'm sure I'm gonna need more, but we're just gonna use what we have for now. I want to wipe these container out. I think I'm gonna use this box for some of the kitchen stuff, and then these I'm gonna use for clothing and other stuff. But yeah, let's go because I'm gonna wash. I'm washing. I started the washer, I just cut it back off so you can hear me. Start it. Let's do some laundry. Sort these and make some load. I have some more stuff in the back here to wash.
Oh, what about a star? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Have to go say yeah.
I think you want to wash? Let me just do this wash. Come. We have this week and then next week. So 2 weeks left until we have to be out of this apartment. So that's what I'm going to do each day from work. Finally start packing these things because we ain't started packing yet. It's annoying. You guys saw me cleaning the apartment, the new apartment, last weekend. So yeah, let's pack. Trying to think of the stuff that we're not going to use right now. So maybe sheets, curtain, towels, I don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna be packing, so let's start. I'll come back and give you guys an update. What's up, guys? CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, Wagwan YouTube family, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for subscribing and being a part of the family. Okay guys, so this is not exactly how my day started, so let's rewind. Let's go back in time a little bit. Let's see how I start my day. As you saw earlier, I went to the gym, start my morning at the gym. Now I'm at work. This is the outfit for today. Feeling cute. Yeah guys, so it's Monday and I'm ready for the week. Like, no Monday blues. I don't know if maybe I'm like one of the only people around, but I actually like Mondays. I love Mondays. It's a new beginning. It's like, yeah, let's start this week off right, because that's when I try to dress more professional, be more productive, be more everything. Monday is just like the jump start. Like, let's do it. By Wednesday, I don't know, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, but I love Mondays. Anyways guys, this is the last week that I have at the apartment, so I'm going to, from work, I'm going straight to the new apartment. We already moved some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys that when I get there, but only thing I have to do now is mop the floors. I already clean, wipe down all the closets and everything. This lighting is good. Yeah, so all I need to do is mop the floors and that's it. So Saturday or Friday is our last day at the apartment. We're gonna sort out transferring the light and cable, internet, all that good stuff. Oh, and I need to clean the old place, so by Thursday, Friday, should clean that. Yeah. This heat ain't no joke. Like, I cannot. I step out on my lunch break to pick up something that my mom sent on the boat, and I am just dying. Like, the heat is crazy. I can't. So I'm heading back to work now. I just stopped to check in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Join the family. Thumbs up this video for your girl. Okay guys, so I'm at the new apartment. We already brought in a bunch of stuff. They're right there because I'm about to mop. Yeah, empty, empty, empty. So it's been a while, but I wanna get right.